Guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit account information on the office.com website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website, then go to your home page and tap on this account button in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on my profile and then tap on the your profile section at the top of the screen. Then scroll down to the account info section and tap on edit account info on the right side of the screen. Then you should wait a few seconds till it loads, but then you will be able to edit your account information as your email address. If you tap on the add email, you can add a new email address. Here you can type it in, and as you go back you can also add your phone number and change the sign in preferences at this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.